How to find IMEI number on iPhone. So if you're buying a used iPhone or you just got your iPhone new and I want to know how you can easily check the IMEI number via the settings page, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check IMEI number on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. So go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and then click on General. Once you selected General, locate About and click on that. Now, under About, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Physical SIM or Available SIM. Then here you should see the IMEI number. Under Physical SIM, you have IMEI. And then under Available SIM, you have IMEI number. So these are your iPhone IMEI number. You cannot go ahead to copy the IMEI number. Just press and hold it, then copy. Press and hold it and then copy it. So that is basically how to check or find IMEI number on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.